Moving on up, climbing the ladder of success in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, moving on up. It's a powerful expression you might have heard in conversations, songs, or even in the workplace. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your own English conversations. Moving on up is a phrase that's often used to describe progress or advancement in life. It can refer to personal growth, career success, or improvement in social status. When someone says they are moving on up, they're indicating that things are getting better for them. It's a positive and hopeful expression that carries a sense of achievement. While the phrase, moving on up, can be taken quite literally, it has also been popularized by cultural references. One of the most notable is the theme song from the classic TV show, The Jeffersons, which uses the phrase to signify the family's rise to a better standard of living. The phrase has since become synonymous with achieving success against the odds. This phrase is quite versatile and can be used in various contexts. For example, in a professional setting, I heard you got a promotion. You're really moving on up in the company. In personal achievements, I just graduated with my master's degree. I'm moving on up in the world. In social contexts, they were able to buy their first home in a prestigious neighborhood. They're definitely moving on up. Remember, the key is to use it to denote progress or an upward trajectory in one's journey. Let's put our learning into practice. How would you use moving on up in a sentence? Think about a time you progressed in some area of life, and share it with us in the comments below. And that's a wrap on moving on up. We hope this video has shed light on this uplifting phrase and inspired you to use it in your English conversations. Keep learning, keep growing, and you'll be moving on up in no time. See you in the next video.